Hi, today I installed TPLink TL-WR820N. This is the Wi-Fi network name of TPLink. One port WAN and two LAN ports. Connect WAN port to Internet router. The installation steps are as follows. Connect to TP-Link with the default Wi-Fi network name found in the previous step. Connected. Open one web browser. 192.168.0.1. You are required to create a new password for the first time you log in. Password is 6 to 63 characters long. Include letters and numbers, for example admin1. Click Skip. Wi-Fi settings. Wi-Fi name settings. Set up Wi-Fi password. Click Save to save the settings. Check the result. OK. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.